Hi, this is John, and in this clip we'll be cleaning and replacing the air filter. Now, it's always recommended to replace your air filter every year or at least clean it out. To locate your air filter, you first want to locate your carburetor, and if you're having a hard time locating your carburetor, you want to find your gas tank, and any fuel line that might be going out of your gas tank is going to be going into your carburetor. Then you can just follow your carburetor, and typically there is an air filter mounted to your carburetor. For this particular air filter, we just need to remove one of the screws on top of it. And that'll let me remove that air filter. Now when I open that up, I'm going to see a foam type filter inside, and I can just peel that out of there. To clean the air filter, you just want to wash it in warm soapy water. And squeeze off any excess water. Next, you're going to take a paper towel and squeeze that paper towel around that air filter to get any excess water out. After that, we're going to add just a little bit of oil into the filter. And we're going to work that oil all around that filter. And then come back with a paper towel to get any excess oil out. Now, this particular filter looks really bad, actually, and you would want to replace it. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to reinstall it. We're just going to take our air filter housing, and we're going to set our cleaned air filter or our new one back in place with our cap, and put that back on our carburetor, and then just give it a wiggle and test it, make sure it is on there securely.